With Mohawk vinyl flooring, there's no need to remove the toilets for new floor installation. Mohawk fiberglass flooring lies flat so that you can cut around the toilet in place and have a flat seam behind it. Using a grout line to be the seam behind the toilet, make a relief cut at the front edge of the center of the toilet. Then cut along the grout line away from the toilet to the edge of the flooring. Make relief cuts around the edge of the toilet as you place the two sides of the vinyl around the toilet. This helps prevent tearing of the flooring.